the sun. Instead of blessing love, instead of blessing love.
Open up, Captain Mark.
Good morning this morning. I hope your dreams come true by day. And as you rise on your pillow this morning, no more nightmares, it's a new day. Rise up, for the day has gotten brighter since you opened your eyes. Rise up, for the day won't last forever. So let it fill you up inside. And Dada say, why yoy, why yoy, why yoy. And Dada say, why yoy, why yoy, why yoy. Listen as I speak and listen as I say, love is the answer in this life. So know your roots, sit and be strong. Stand through the storm. Set free the pressure and bring the love into our hearts. And Dada say, why yoy, why yoy, why yoy. And Dada say, why yoy, why yoy, why yoy. Hey. A blessing love, a blessing love. But Dada say, Dada say,
The fish are mocking us again. Hanging under us.
just close your eyes, it's time to sleep. I called to say goodnight and have the sweetest dreams. Rest your head, relax your mind. And every little thing is gonna be alright. So Dada say,